Hey guys, what's up at the warehouse? Yesterday we got some more orders after I left the office. So right now we got 9 orders. So I'm about to pull the orders and pack and ship today. So let's do this. This is a GPS TomTom. Look at it, CB 148. Oh, here it is, all the way in the back. Comes in a case. Next one is a car model. I got this for $5 at the garage sale. Let's pull this. It's right here. Next one, we actually got 2 items going out. The same kind of item. Those 2 color sets. Those 2 for models. This one, it's Beatles figurines, action figures or figurines. Got those at the estate sale a long time ago. Took a best offer, and it's right up here in this box. Those are the action figures. Drawer number 3, which is right here. Next one, 3 CDs. Focus 5. I don't know if you can see, but this is Focus number 5. 3 big bands. Here it is. Three big bands. And this order I got right before I left the office. It's a nice buy. $315 and $65 shipping. That's JBL, part of a huge electronic deck. We took it from a really rich place in here in Jersey. So it's gonna be really heavy. So I'm gonna try to pull it. BDB5. With no packing and nothing, this unit is really heavy. 42 pounds, just the unit itself, right? Really heavy. So now I'm gonna need to pack all of those and tackle this big unit. It goes to the middle of the US, so hopefully shipping won't kill my entire profit. So we'll see. It's time to pack. Forgot I have another item to pick. It's a CD, and it's right in my office. I just listed it yesterday, right before I left the office, and it sold within a couple minutes. I don't know why. It's a King Kong movie, King Kong video game. I think it sold for $20, and I even think it's missing, yeah, just gaming case. Weird. Sold for $19, free shipping. Okay guys, so I finished packing this beast. This is like really big. It's 25 by 25 by 11, and it weighs 52 pounds. So yeah, let's see how much the shipping will be. Hopefully not the entire profit. So shipping ended up to be 60, and we cleared $243, but it was hell to pack. Got another order on my second store. 2 of those games, $9.95. So I'm gonna pack those 2. So guys, everything is packed and ready to be shipped. Now I got this in the mail. I ordered them because I need to check those 2 8-track players I got on my previous sourcing trip with the business lady. I got a few electronics from the basement, so now I'm just gonna test them out. This one ate my last 8-track tape, so hopefully they both work well and I'll be able to sell them. So let's see. So this one works. Okay, they both work. Just my power cord was out. That's why I couldn't hear the first time. Good. So let's clean them up. So this is the before. And this is the after. Cleaned up real good. I don't know if it's worth so much, but you know, looks good. What I used on this surface, the metal-y surface, is this one. It cleans and polishes. So worked pretty well. I used it a couple of times. If you wanna check this out, I think it cost like $10. I think I got it from Walmart. So now let's clean the other unit. And this is the after. It's better, cleaner. I might need to clean a little more right here. So now I'll need to take pictures with my pro settings. Look how good it looks. Super bright clean. So let's take those pictures. Take the front, then zoom in to the left side, right side, and then we just turn it all the way. Take the pictures. The back I do the same. pull back, zoom into the left, zoom into the right, other side, and the top also. That's it. Hey guys, solved another thing. Disc only. Ghost Squad Nintendo Wii disc only, and it is right here. I listed it just this morning. So it's a CD only. Sold it in an hour, basically. $7.65 disc only. So guys, everything is packed. All the shipping labels are ready. The big package is in my car already because it was heavy, so I decided to take it before it would start raining. So this is it. I'm gonna work on my computer a little bit, and I think I'm done in the office for the day. So I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys. Stay safe.